Hi, here is the Canon iVIS HF M31 overall conditions. Okay, and inside here is the menu of the DV cam. After that, this one is the TV cable. Okay, then this one I believe that is like a HDMI cable that connect with maybe computer or TV. Yeah, and the charger is the charger with two part. Okay, this part you need to attach to here, the bottom of here. Yeah, then you just insert it. Okay, then inside also have the remote of the camera. Yeah, but I don't have the battery, so I can't try for you. Yeah, using one CR2025 battery. Yeah, you can see here got the code right here. Okay, I'll just put it inside first. Then operate it by clicking this button. Okay. Then show the overall function. So you can, this is the touchscreen. Then you can switch, like if you want video or photo. Yeah, this one is program mode. If you want like manual mode, oh sorry, this one is the video mode. Then click it, the function. Yeah, then you can adjust by yourself lah. Like the focus is autofocus, the white balance, which is the color tone. Wait lah, okay, this one warm, then yeah, this one warmer, then this one is fully auto. And okay, tungsten, this one is blue a bit. Yeah, it will slightly a little bit hard for you for the touchscreen actually. Yeah, okay, then overall it's like this, and you also can adjust like image stabilizer, digital effect, the video light. Yeah, you can on it, like example. Yeah, try it. Okay, we are off it first. This one is stabilizer. When I on, yeah, here I have a light. Okay. Then here is the zoom. Yeah, I can zoom until like very far. Like example, yeah. So it's quite far lah. Okay. Then here is the photo. When you want to shoot, you just half press it. Wait lah. Click it. When I switch the mode first. Yeah, photo mode. Sorry, just now it's the video mode. Yeah, like that. Then if you want like video recording mode, switch again. You also can click here for the focus. Yeah, if you want like, yeah, this one is track focus lah. So if you want to focus like something, then you move it. Yeah, it will still focus at the part. And you can cancel it by clicking it. Yeah. Then here is start video recording. Click it. Then testing. Zoom. If it's too near, then you will out of focus. Yeah. Then you also can become like selfie. Okay. Okay. Then after that, if you want to stop it, then just click it. Okay. Then also about the camera storage, actually you can switch, like click the menu. Okay. You can adjust by yourself lah. This one got the face detection, so it's quite cool and quite decent function. The image effect you can adjust by yourself also, like will be more vivid, be more saturated or desaturated or something. Yeah. And this one is the video and the photo function, self timer. Then yeah, okay. The record media, you can choose like whether you want built-in memory built inside or the SD card. Yeah, you can put the SD card here. Well, normally I would recommend you just put it at SD card would be better lah. Yeah, it's quite easy lah. So you just use the card reader, connect to the computer will do. Yeah. Then let me switch first. Click here. Yeah, click the SD card. Okay, let me just. Yeah. This one also same. Okay, and just quick. Okay, then we just try again. And actually the overall function is like this lah. Then this one is the access menu mode, or you want auto mode. Yeah. Okay. And about here is like display. By clicking, then it will like be more clean. Yeah, because sometimes you can know your setting at here lah, and about the battery life, like how long it can survive. Yeah, if you click it, then it won't appear lah, but it will quite clean lah. And here is the preview. By pressing it, yeah, then you can see the preview. This one is last time I record one. Okay. And so overall it's like this, and later on I will show you how to like extract the video file to become like viewable. Okay. So overall it's like this. If you didn't use it, press it. Yeah. And also about the charging, I wouldn't recommend you take off the battery, because I got one battery like last time for the DV cam. It's scratched, so the battery spoil. Yeah. So I would recommend you using this cable to charging it by charge here. Then when it's fully charged, it wouldn't have the red light blinking. When you charge, it will have red light keep blinking like that. Yeah. So now I have connect the SD card with my computer. Then we go to the file here and open it. Actually, the process also same like if you use your phone reader lah. Yeah. Okay. After that, by clicking this, show package content. Still click show package content, then go to the stream. Then yes, here's your file lah. Then we just pick one, and actually I can play it on my computer, but I can't play it on my phone, so we need to convert it to MP4. Yeah. Okay, so here is the function testing. Wait, let me. So first of all, let us maybe copy and paste to my desktop. Yeah, right here. Then we just switch to the Safari. Then we use this MTS to the file format is MTS. Wait, try focus. Yeah, MTS. So we just use like MTS to MP4. Then we choose our file from our device, desktop. This, upload it and convert. Okay, so we just wait for it and download. Okay, it's done. Then we just click download. And now it's MP4 already. Yeah, you see. Wait, I'm not sure whether you can see or not. Yeah. Then you can play it on your device or upload to any place. Yeah. So yeah, here's the.
Zoom is function. Focus also function.